described her reaction to some of Toby Young's views.
Flabbergasted. Absolutely flabbergasted. It's just beyond the pale that somebody who does this stuff.
It's just another day at the office. The fearless are here. The Winter Olympics. Get all the latest action across BBC TV, BBC iPlayer.
Dickhead in the bus who just stops on the roundabout.
Minutes and ended with a bright splotch on the screen and ignored it with the headphones at Sunny's. The rest was headline with a big splotch on the screen and ignored it with the headphones at Sunny's. The rest was headline with a ripping streak of steel and crushed hardware.
Look in your fucking... Look where you're going, dickhead.
Blimey, mate, you're away.
That's the same idiot who... Yeah, that was the same idiot.
Vision is a locksmith, and I don't get it. I'm giving up lock stripping and acting. That's it.
And what about your good self? Still acting?
No, I came out of the industry in about... Somerset. Blimey, mate.
And instead assigned himself lookout duty on the flying bridge while Sam taught Pam how to bait her line. Her enthusiasm surprised all of them. Sarah made sure that she was literally covered with covered tone to protect her tail skin, and Kelly wondered. Kelly got the comb back and continued his work. It struck him as very unmanly, but he loved doing this. There. Wait, no thanks. You really are buying hair dryer. Kelly shrugged.
Fucking stupid wanker.
Pam turned around and took his hand.
Strictly Judged Renee Tognoli is back on BBC Radio 2.
Back with love, lives, scandals in good lives as I celebrate my greatest passion.
At the opera,
Got you far, didn't it?
For an intoxicating mix of the most beautiful music ever written.
ready to hear by downloading the BBC Sounds app.
Drawn as the nominee to lead the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. President Trump's preferred choice for post had been facing accusations that he improperly handled drugs and was drunk at work. Strange and baseless. Mr. Trump said he had an unblemished record and would have done a good job. Federal Agriculture Select Committee threatened to issue a formal summons for the Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg to appear before them.
What's that? Lieutenant Bryan asked. First, nobody saw anything. Second, nobody knew what pimp she worked for. Nobody even knows who she was. Her father hung up on me after he said he hasn't talked to his daughter in 4 years.
Change lanes without indicator one. Fucking wanker me.
practicing with live weapons on the range at Garvey, or electronic warfare at Spade Adam, air-to-air refueling and mock airfield attacks against RAF bases at Lucas and Valley. Conserving airframe fatigue life was no longer an issue, nor were they expected to burn holes in the sky to maintain an arbitrary level of flying hours. I've been waiting 20 years to have such a good time, thought Baldwin's nav radar Paul Taylor. He wasn't the only one, and the squadron boss encouraged it. He'd never known a squadron with bad morale and high professional standards. Didn't actually believe it was possible. Baldwin backed men he believed would contribute to the spirit of the squadron. Those whom others regarded as a bit of a handful, sometimes even warned him off, were welcomed. Like the Rolling Stones opting for Ronnie Wood, because when it boiled down to it, there might have been better guitarists around, but no one else whose face fitted so well. And like Ronnie, those chosen for their attitude found themselves right at home. That in the second half of 1982, 44R Squadron occupied a unique position within the Air Force, outside of the order of battle declared to NATO, only reinforced the unit's feeling of esprit de corps. And only once did Baldwin's successful pursuit ever prove a disadvantage. During a visit to Waddington from AOC-1 Group, Air Vice Marshal Mike Knight, Baldwin asked for a squadron detachment to cement morale. And, he added, do some intensive training without the normal day-to-day distractions of life.
Oh, fuck's sake.
What have you got in mind?